Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And movie or TV app, this is not working, getting some error and not working. You can see. So, first method, click to start, type movie and TV. You can see it will come. Just right click and go to app setting. Okay, then scroll down. When you see the reset, you have to click first reset and reset data. Then click to repair. Then click to terminate. Just single click. Okay, and then close it. So guys, first method, click to start, type CMD and right click to run as administrator. Run as administrator. Then click to yes. Then some command. So that is four command. First one sfc space slash scan now. Then hit enter. Wait few seconds, it will complete 100%. Then type next command, which is second number. So you can enter also, you can copy paste. Okay, do not type so long of the command. So it will complete. Then copy second one and then just right click it. Okay, when you, okay, then third one. And guys, last, same as it is. Okay, when it is completed, this four command properly one by one enter, and that's command I will give you in the video description, so you can easily copy and paste from descriptions. then it will done, then try to follow next method. Okay, otherwise you can restart also. Okay, thank you.